Gold finally reached 3314.79 support level, which has been expected 1 week ago after this bearish breakout has been formed, and after that 3 days after that the price formed a bearish engulfing candle. These two were also signals that the price is trying to reach this area of support, and we can see yesterday the price finally created that bearish candle reaching that support level. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the price has finally made a bearish breakout below 3332.99 with a strong bearish candle. Immediately the price has reached that area of support. We can see that here. And we can see that in the last 2 4-hour time frame sessions, the price could not manage to go below this area of support. The price is trying to move down with this week. We can see that here, and it has formed a small bullish pin bar right here at the support level. On the 1 hour time frame, we can see that the price yesterday has created this strong bearish candle going below this area of support, then reaching here, and then finally in the next 2 hours the price has reached this area of support 3314.79, which is a daily support level. Here we can see there were no clear bearish breakouts except this one here, when the price has formed at 3320.96, a bearish breakout below this area of support, and then the price was targeting the next support level right here. From here the price formed indecision candle. The price tried to move higher, and we can see there is no buying pressure here at the support level because the price could not return all the way back here to the first resistance level 3320.96. The price was trying to move further down, we can see that here, but the price could not manage to form a strong bearish breakout below this area of support, which would indicate further decline in value. But that is something that has not happened. What we can expect from here? Let's go from the daily time frame to see what we can expect. The price has reached the strong support level 3314.79. So whenever the price reaches a support level on the daily time frame, it is expected the price will retrace slightly, strongly or slightly. That depends on the support level. Currently we can see on the chart that the retrace could be all the way to here, 3323.44. So 3323 going to the 1 hour time frame is somewhere between 3325.28 and 3320.96. So first of all, it is this area of resistance where it is expected that the price will bounce and retrace. So this is something that I'm expecting. We have this bullish pin bar formed here on the 1 hour time frame, suggesting further rise in value. We can see on the 4 hour time frame also a small bullish pin bar suggesting further rise in value, but we can see that 3325.28 is on the 4 hour time frame next resistance level. If we take a look in the past, where the price has reached somewhere between this area here, which is around 3321 and also 3323. So on the 4 hour time frame and the 1 hour time frame, we currently have suggested that the price will retrace back up to the area of resistance around this 3320.96 and especially 3323, somewhere in between this area. So first of all, I'm expecting that the price will reach this area of resistance. This is 1 hour time frame, and after that we'll see how the price will behave. We need to wait for the market to make a move and then move accordingly with the market, following the market instead of chasing. Currently I am going to share with the traders inside the premium analysis. The link will be below in the description if you would like to join, where the price is heading and also what is the entry level, what is the target for this move around this area of support. So feel free to check that inside the premium analysis. The link will be below in the description. And also what we can expect is after the price reaches that the target as a retrace and also bounce from this area of support, we will see and wait for a clean breakout. So we'll see what happens. Will the breakout be above this area of resistance on the 1 hour time frame, or it will go below this area of support and continue to lose its value on the 1 hour time frame and also 4 hour time frame? What happens first? But before that, let's go step by step, and during the day we'll see how the price behaves. Then after that we will see, will the price manage to go further down to this area of support 3272.61, which is a daily support as a next target. But before that, we can see there are smaller support levels in between this area of resistance and this area of support, where the price could stop before heading all the way back down. For now, that's all for the day. Let's see how the price behaves and hear you tomorrow. That's all for this day. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.